Hello friends, in this video we will see what is Azure Management Infrastructure. We have already discussed about Azure resources and the resource group. Resources are virtual machine, IP addresses, virtual network card, virtual NIC card, subnet, network security group. These are the resources what you are going to create in Azure. So once you create these resources, if you group these resources in a particular group, then that will be called as resource group. To create any of the resources, you need to have a resource group. That is the minimum requirement. If you have not created the resource group, while creating the resource, you will be asked to create a resource group. Let us discuss about the management group. Why we require a management group? In order to group the subscription, for example, subscription 1, subscription 2, I can use the management group. If I take a real use case, for an example, if there is a company which is called as CloudX, and this is operating from two different regions, Europe North and Europe West. So this company has two regions, Europe North, Europe West. They have segregated into multiple environment for the test, development and prod environment. Similarly, here also in Europe West also, they have similar kind of setup, test, development and prod. Now, this company wants to apply a policy for the test environment not to create storage optimized virtual machine. So they don't want to create storage optimized virtual machine. So in this particular case, what you will do is you will create a management group. This will be at the top level, which will be the root management group. And you create one more management group for the test subscription. So this includes for the North and West. You bring these two subscription under this management group, under the test management group. So you have the management group created, test. Under these test management group, you will bring the test subscription. So you have two test subscription from North and West. Once you apply the policy at this level for not to create the storage optimized virtual machine, these two test subscription which are under the management group test will not be able to create the storage optimized virtual machine. So this is how you can control the creation of the virtual machines. And if I wanted to apply the RBAC policy at the management group level, so I have the test management group created, which has Europe North and West region. It has both the subscription of test. So this is the test and this is the second subscription. I have both these subscription. If I apply the RBAC policy at this management group, then the RBAC policy, whatever I have applied at this management group, it will be inherited by these two subscription, and it will also be inherited by the resource group, also at the resource level. So you can basically simplify the role-based access control for the entire management group. So all the test environment, I wanted to keep it very simple. So I'll give only for the user 1, user 2, user 3. So I'll only have, so you have the root management group. Under this management group, you have a child management group. So this is the child management group. And under this management group, you have a child management group again. So you can go up to 6 levels of deep like this. And each management group can have only one parent management group. So for this subscription, this will be the parent management group. This subscription cannot have another management group as parent management group. So this is not allowed. So this subscription can be used by only one management group. Similarly, a management group can have only one parent, and this will be your root management group. Management group can be nested up to 6 levels of hierarchy, and you can have 10,000 management group created. And all of these should belong to one tenant. Your tenant is nothing but the Active Directory. If you have a subscription like this, for example, let us take this as test and development subscription. If I wanted to create a management group, I'll create a management group for test, and I'll create a management group for dev. So then this subscription will fall here, and this subscription will go here. And whatever resources which I am creating under the subscription, so I have created some resources here. This will come under this particular management group. So whatever resources which I am going to create here under the dev subscription, it will come under development management group. I apply the policy. I can apply the policy. I can use role-based access control. I can control the budget. So these are nothing but your organization governance. So this is how you will be able to create the management group and manage the organization hierarchy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.